Hello fellow rockhounds. For today's video we are continuing with our rocks from my collecting spot known as the Quarry Site. And this brings us to the fourth video in the Quarry Site series. Last time in episode 3 about the rose quartz I mentioned the Hornblende schist, or perhaps it's a gneiss, still no positive ID on the rock yet, that these quartz veins are found in. Come along as we discuss this rock and especially the unique occurrences that are found where the hornblende comes in contact with the other minerals, especially the quartz. There is also one notable dike in the area of this unique material, which is a uniformly grained rock exclusively made of a pyroxene mineral, and therefore this rock is likely a pyroxenite. Or it could possibly be a gabbro. Here is a picture of its dike, highly colorful due to lichen growth. I want to show this dike structure as it is similar to those low outcrops of the hornblende schist in the area, which unfortunately I don't have any good pictures of right now. The hornblende schist outcrops are a little larger and have quite a few trees that manage to take root in the sheltered crevices in an otherwise treeless area of Wyoming. Here is a picture of a nearby quartz vein running through a pink granite outcrop. To recap, for those of you just joining us, the Quarry Site area is a single location northeast of Rock River, Wyoming, not far from Wheatland Reservoir number 3, where in a single day's hike one can collect several types of agate, jaspers, druzy quartz geodes, petrified wood, fossil shells, horn corals, amazing ventifacts of various materials, rose quartz, and, as we are seeing in today's video, some very nice hornblende crystals. Just an amazing variety for a single location. Back to the hornblende schist. Wherever there are inclusions of quartz, granitic lenses, or feldspars, the hornblende seems to have been pressed and wrapped around the other minerals, such as in this specimen that we are clearly seeing this wrapping effect. If you are familiar with augen gneiss, the darker minerals in that rock similarly wrap around the so-called eyes, which are composed of these larger crystals. Those of you who are more up on geologic processes, geology and petrology, that sort of thing, you might have some insights as to why the hornblende in this case wraps around these quartz and feldspar inclusions, and why it seems there are rather spectacular and well-formed crystals of the hornblende here and not elsewhere in the rock. All of the specimens we are seeing here are basically those isolated lenses and crystals of quartz and or feldspar, or perhaps veins of those, that have eroded out of the softer hornblende schist, and they preserve these beautiful, more dense crystalline hornblende formations on their surfaces. Without getting too technical, hornblende is not really a mineral in its own right, but rather a name given to a series of amphibole minerals with similar composition, but named differently depending on the exact chemical composition. And it forms monoclinic, elongated crystals, which we are seeing here. What is most unique in my opinion about these is that we are finding them in what is predominantly an area of limestones and sandstones, and yet here are these few unique outcrops of this material in the bottom of the valley. We will conclude our selection with this specimen, which, similarly to the first that we saw, really captures the essence of what is going on here geologically or mineralogically. We are seeing what appears to be an intact vein of quartz and feldspars, which is obviously rigid and resistant to erosion in comparison to the softer hornblende schist, which in this case has completely eroded away, leaving only the vein. Yet we see on both sides this beautiful array of crystalline hornblende still clinging to the harder vein material. Quite an amazing specimen, especially in sunlight. I hope that you are enjoying this series and that you will take a second or two to like and share this video. And if you have not seen the other 3 videos in the playlist, do some binge watching when you get a chance. It will be worth your time. And keep up on the future videos that are still to come. Many more rocks to cover from this location. It is truly a unique place for having so many different treasures. We will end here with a quick time lapse that I filmed with my first cell phone years ago. but it gives you a clue as to what the area looks like. Lord willing, we will see you on the next one.